dapat dinggin dito dahil nga wala nang jurisdiction ng ICC sa Pilipinas. Yun din ang sinasabi niya. Okay? Okay, kaya lang, syempre, yung mga abogado dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na yung nasa Malacanang, masyadong nagmamagaling. Ito ho, nag-work po itong si Kaufman, hindi lamang po sa pagiging defense lawyer, naging prosecutor din po siya ng ICC. Matagal na po siya nagtatrabaho sa ICC. Ibig sabihin po mga kababayan, mas may alam to kaysa dun sa mga gunggong na abogado natin sa Pilipinas na alam naman nating anti-Duterte lang. Di ba po?
These are still valid live arguments and they will be argued in court at the right time.
Attorney Kaufman, have you completely formed the defense team for former President Duterte? Is it a complete team now?
Yes, we're putting the final touches to it.
How many are still...
Are you waiting for another lawyer to be added? We heard that there's still one more slot.
Once again, I'm putting the final touches to the defense.
Ang kulit talaga ng mga ng mga lawyer, ng mga media, no? Natawa tuloy siya eh. Kasi sinabi na nga, I'm putting up with the team, inaayos ko na yung team. Tapos biglang hihirit pa. So may kulang pa kayong isa. Kailan pa aayusin yung isa? Once again, I'm doing the final touches. Ang kulit mo eh, paulit-ulit. Yung mga media na ito, nakatikim tuloy kayo.
Okay, so the final touches.
Mr. Kaufman, from an ethical point of view, because the former President Duterte publicly made a statement about relating the killing of the Jews to his war on drugs. Can you comment on that?
Ito, condescending naman yung tanong. Kasi kesyo daw, again ito yung konteksto nun. Kasi ito yung laging sinasabi nito mga tarantadong media na ito. Sinasabi nila na kesyo daw hinambing ni Pangulong Duterte yung pagpatay sa mga adik, okay? Pagpatay sa mga drug lord, sa pagpatay sa mga kriminal, sa pagpatay ni Hitler dito sa mga Jews. Which is, we all know, it is bad. So, akala nung iba sinasabi na pinalalabas nila yung idea na si Duterte hinambing yung pagpatay niya sa mga kriminal, sa mga adik, sa pagpatay ni Hitler sa mga Jews. Ito, Juto. So, anong ginagawa niya? Sinusubukan niyang pikunin ito at para sabihin na si Duterte ganito. Diba? Pero ang hindi kasi alam, buti na lang hindi sumagot ito ng diretso. Ibig sabihin talagang iniwasan niya yan. Pero ang maliho kasi dito, ang sinabi ni Pangulong Duterte, if you are comparing me to Hitler, ganun ang sinabi niya eh. If you are comparing me to Hitler, mas malala pa ako kay Hitler. Nagigets nyo? Hindi niya sinabing, para ako si Hitler. Hindi niya sinabing ganun. Sila yung nagsasabi na para ako si Hitler. Kaya nga, if you are comparing me to Hitler, therefore, mas malala ako dun. Oh. Kasi nga, ginagago niya yung mga taong nagsasabing para siyang si Hitler. Naintindihan na natin. Kasi sinasabi na iba, diktador ka, para ka si Hitler, mamamatay tao ka. Ganun ba? Mas malala ako dun. Oh. Nagigets ninyo. Tapos ngayong pinalalabas sila, tingnan mo na, kinumpare niya yung sarili niya kay Hitler. Ay, mga gunggong talaga. Nakakagago talaga itong mga media. Ngayon, gagamitin pa ito para magalit itong abogadong Jew. Buti na lang ito, sagot ni, buti matalino ito, hindi katulad to ng mga media-medyahan natin sa Pilipinas. Ito pakingge.
I'm not going to comment on that. People say things all the time. It's not my position to debate it. I have a job to do. I'm going to defend the former president to the best of my ability.
Don't worry, Mr. Kaufman. If you would really dig into this, let me just say one thing, okay? Let me try my best to explain it to you in the words, in the language that you would understand. First of all, Mr. Duterte, our former president, did not say he is like Hitler who kills many Jews. He didn't say that. He said was, you people who compares me again with Hitler because of killing people, I am worse than Hitler because I kill many more. Many more. Right. Okay. What simply he's saying that he's just answering how do you call this? Satire. He's answering the accusation of people. Okay? The accusation of people that he is like Hitler. No, he didn't say he is Hitler. He just said, I am worse if you're comparing with me with Hitler because I kill more criminals. I kill criminals. That's why he is meaning many criminals. Okay? Understood, sir? Don't worry. People around you will explain it to you.
Attorney Kaufman, is there any chance for former President Duterte to have his case dismissed on a jurisdictional issue?
Ulitin na naman. Paulit-ulit na yung tanong. Tanga ba kayong mga media? Alam mo na ako nahihiya. Sa totoo lang ako nahihiya para sa inyo. Kasasagot lang kanina, uulitin mo na naman tanong, di parang ang dating, hindi ka marunong umintindi? Bobo ka ba? Ganun ang dating bobo ka?
Before the confirmation hearing in September.
Once again, it's the judges who decide when to hear that argument. Obviously, I would like it to be heard first of all. I believe that there are compelling arguments and I will seek to persuade the judges, but the people who decide at the end of the day are the judges themselves. It's not my job to presume anything here. I believe that there is a strong argument for the lack of ability to exercise jurisdiction given the Philippines' withdrawal from the Rome Statute. I hope that the judges will accept my submission. They might decide, obviously, that they don't want to hear it at the earlier stages. They might want to combine it with the confirmation hearing itself. I hope that will not happen. But once again, it's not my position now to presume anything.
Ayan, Alina, ang ganda ng sagot niya Yun talaga ay aming hihingin. Okay? But I respect the judges kung kailan nila gustong pakinggan yung argument namin. Actually, ang sinasabi niya nga dito, baka isabay na doon sa confirmation hearing. Ayan, Kaya lang, sana, wini-wish niya,
Itself. I hope that will not happen. But
I hope that will not happen na didinggin ng itong court ng ICC o ng judge ng ICC. Sana agahan. Pero syempre, nire-respeto niya yung desisyon nung korte. Okay? Malinaw ang sinasabi niya dyan. Okay? Para kasi, alam mo, very professional. Hindi katulad nung babaeng mukhang ulikba doon sa tumutugis kay Pangulo Duterte, yung nagpo-prosecute kay Pangulo Duterte, yung komunista, yun. Abogadong, ewan ko, hindi marunong sa lengguwahe nila.
once again, it's not my position now to presume anything. I just make my submissions in court and the judges will decide.
Yeah, Attorney Kaufman, you received documentary evidences submitted by the prosecutor's office.
Tingnan mo ito. Ito kasi, alam mo natatawa ako kasi pinanood ko rin yung mga interview nun ni Ulikba Hindi ko na lang babanggitin kung sino yung Ulikba. Siya, ang hilig niya mag-discuss ng issue o pagdating sa mga evidence, ang hilig niya i-discuss, binabanggit niya yung dami ng tao na napatay, ilang cases. Eto, tingnan niyo yung sagot niya Nung tinanong siya tungkol doon sa evidence na pinresenta sa kanila, tingnan niyo yung sagot niya.
Are expunable evidences that you think?
The disclosure process is confidential and I'm not going to disclose anything about it.
Palakbakan. Yan ang mga gusto kong banat Diba? Akala ko, ang mataray na abogado si Panelo. May mas mataray pala sa kanila. Ito talagang, it's confidential. I will not discuss it. Boom, kunana. Di ba? Ay, sus.
Sir, sorry to reiterate the question.
Sorry to reiterate. Ulitin pa talaga. Ako nahihiya sa inyo. Parang ang dating nyo talaga, ewan ko kung content lang ba kayo talaga para may balita o